When you have a digital product business, it's really important to have what is called a mailing list. Now, if you haven't heard of what a mailing list is, it's basically a list of emails, and those emails belong to people who have opted in and given you permission to email them. Typically, you can build them by giving them something free or sort of asking them if they want to sign up for offers and discounts in the future. That's a really great way to build your list. It's really important that we're not putting all our business eggs in the Etsy egg basket, because if Etsy closed overnight, where would your business be? You need to make sure you sort of branch out more than just Etsy. Build an email list on the side so that if the worst ever happened, if Etsy did close overnight or something like that happened, you have somewhere to sort of start and turn to and grow your business and survive. So this is my Brand Sugar website. And if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see I've got this little opt-in field here where people can add their first name and their email address. So this is my opt-in form. And what that does is that connects to my email provider where I store my email list. Now, I have used a lot of providers in the past. The three that I recommend are these ones. So MailChimp has a free version, which is amazing. So if you're just wanting to sort of start out, you can definitely sign up for the MailChimp free version, which is, it's amazing. It has a lot of great features in there. It doesn't have any automations though. So if you want to do like an automated nurture when people sign up, so automatically sort of send them a series of welcome emails, that is not included in the free version of MailChimp, but you can pay to upgrade and get those automations. I also use Flowdesk. So Flowdesk I currently use for my Brand Sugar mailing list, and it's an amazing email list tool because it's capped at $39 per month, and that it doesn't matter how many people you have on your list, how many emails you send, it's capped. So you have unlimited everything, which is amazing because a lot of providers will they'll charge you based on the number of subscribers that you have, or they'll charge you based on the number of emails that you send. So Flowdesk is amazing. I actually do have an affiliate link for them, so I'll drop that below. And the reason that I'll drop that below is you will get your Flowdesk account 50% off if you use that. So it's only $20 if you sign up using that affiliate link. So it's really good. Has a lot of beautiful templates in there as well, and it does have the option to have automation, so you can definitely send that nurture sequence, that series of emails when people sign up. The last one that I recommend is Kartra, and Kartra is definitely a higher price point, but it's very good, and it includes sort of like course platforms, and it has a lot of extra functionality. So I use Kartra to host all my courses, and I send out my emails to my coaching business from Kartra. So it's all sort of linked together in there, and it's pretty awesome. So I definitely recommend them. I'm going to jump into Flowdesk and quickly show you just around there and how you can actually set up a landing page to start your mailing list. Flowdesk, sort of the back end of it. And what I love about Flowdesk is it is so beautifully simple. Like you've got these 4 options up the top and that's it. So we're going to go to forms, and I'm going to go new form, and it has a whole heap of beautiful templates. So it gives you the option of pop-up, which would go on a website. So it pops up on your website. Inline, which is kind of like that widget that's sitting down here. So that one's embedded in there. And then you also have the option for a full page, which is really cool. And it's hosted on Flowdesk, so you don't actually need to host it anywhere else. You can sign up the segment. So I've obviously got all my Fabled and my Brand Sugar people in here. And then it's literally just you go in there and edit it all. So you can change the design, you can change what fields you're asking for and edit it that way. So you can see I can build up the fields here. I can go add a new field, last name, custom field. So if you want to ask for phone numbers or things like that, you can definitely do that here. You can obviously tweak the font style and also the overall style of everything. So you can see I've changed those boxes there to be round. It's very, very flexible, and it's easy to create something which is really beautiful. So I love Flowdesk, highly recommend it. Now, I definitely, if you are watching this and you want to grow your business and scale your business, definitely start a mailing list. If you haven't got one already, start today, because you will thank me later. You'll have those customers listed there, those people who maybe they've bought something from you before, but at least they sort of know who you are and they sort of understand your product. And if you have a sale in future, you can obviously send out an email to all of them, and it's going to help you increase your sales overall and grow your business, because we don't want people to be coming to our digital product stores, buying something and then leaving. We really want to have them come, hopefully buy something, but then keep them in our world. We don't want to be forgotten. We want them to become recurring customers. Thank you so much for watching. So this is actually part of our challenge that we have going on at the moment. It's running for 28 days in February. So definitely, if you are interested in that, I will link the playlist here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.